coaching thought for the day. Don't assume that all teachers share in your same knowledge. They don't know all the things that you know. As an instructional coach, you have gotten to work at teaching, you have gotten to work at best practices in learning and, doing research and that sort of thing. All teachers don't share that knowledge, even if they've been around. And it's not to put them down. Everybody doesn't know everything. So make sure that when you're working with a teacher, don't assume that they know exactly what you're talking about. So I have a for instance. I have recently been working with several teams on differentiation, on meeting the needs of all learners, of scaffolding their instruction and scaffolding the tasks, not lowering the task, having a grade level task that is appropriate and difficult, but that all students will be able to access through scaffolding. And what I have discovered is that some of those teams really have struggled with the scaffolding piece, with adding the elements of differentiation, of adding the elements of how to help kids in their thinking reach that higher level. So just a reminder for all of us out there, don't assume that just because you know how to do something well as a coach, it's something that everybody knows how to do. You're a coach for a reason, and that might be a talent of yours that you can help grow that capacity in other teachers. So remember to be patient and be kind and always be learning new things, because you get to be the person to share those things with teachers later on.